introduce yourself because you're on camera.
Well, hey gang, I'm Steve Davis, and I'm thrilled to be here, and I got lucky to have a great instructor here with me, so.
He's a 350 driver, my student. We got a fast car coming up here. I've got, well, that's my buddy Nick, actually. I got 26 PSI front left, pretty low.
Ooh. We'll give it a few minutes then.
Yep. I'm just avoiding all the stuff right now. My tires are out of balance because they spun on the wheels.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's a lot of horsepower.
And braking.
Wow.
That was about a third of my braking.
Really? Shit.
I had aftermarket brakes.
Yeah. Oh, this got a lot of power. Holy crap. Whoop. Damn.
We'll be doing more here in a bit.
Jeez.
Right now we're just taking it easy.
Yeah. Not what I would call taking it easy. No, I'm excited though. It's awesome.
I'm not gonna jump this curb while my tires are still low pressure.
Yeah. Boy, he went way off. That Corvette. Wow, look at the camber. Woo.
28 PSI front left.
Wow, that's really
Not
pretty.
quite there yet. We're going to let this guy pass. We're going to give him the line. Alright, I'm offline and back online.
God, he came flying by you. Holy crap.
Still not going to jump the curb. We're going to wait till the next lap.
Okay. So it's a different feel and a different line if you're not going the curbs.
Yes, big time.
I mean, I started thinking to myself, man, he didn't turn in on time, and now I know why.
On purpose.
Yeah. Okay, so I see that stab of the brakes there that I'm not doing well enough, so.
Well, it's going to be a little different here. You just wait till my tires are up to 10.
I hear you.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that's a lot of food speed. Holy moly. I thought I had this harness good and tight.
Make it tighter. Pull
yeah, I will. If I can. Barely move in this car.
If it's too crazy or you feel sick at all, let me know.
No, I'm good. Wow. Oh, I see that parallel line you mean. I gotta work on that.
Everybody's black flagged.
Uh-oh, black.
Everybody's black flagged.
It said pit right there.
Yeah.
That guy looked like he has a tire problem going around the corner.
Everybody's black flagged.
But they didn't all go in.
Yeah, they screwed up. Now the problem is I have hot brakes and carbon fiber wheels.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So I want to keep rolling slowly.
Can you just do that in the paddock a little too if you need to?
Yep. Just when we're about to go send.
Yeah, I hear you.
Fun. Okay, so there was obviously a mishap out there somewhere.
Yeah. Boy, it is a whole different ball game in this group than what I was doing. The cars are so much faster.
All right, here we go. take two.
Okay, rock and roll. This is wicked fun. Oh, that was a beautiful turn. Whoa, the brakes on this car, unbelievable. God, and it shifts so fast, holy crap.
There's 120.
Wow. Wow. I felt that. That was awesome, man. I felt you modulate a little bit.
Sure. There's 150.
Wow. 157. God. Brakes are unbelievable. Holy crap, you get fast through there. Whew. Man. Oh, I see the line better. Halfway through that, you're braking already. Wow. Jeez.
Little hair wide there.
Feels like my car is slow compared to yours. Wow. Okay, I see how you were getting into power way earlier than me. That's cool. 130, 140, 144.
I've hit 148 there.
It might have been a shade faster, but still. Wow. It's like I'm getting an ab workout. This is what I saw.
Yeah. Closing the distances on the Porsches in the turns.
Big time. Don't you love that? They all think that we have all the horsepower. Only horsepower. You're clear. Wow, listen to rev matching. That's badass. Holy crap. Wow. It's like an ab workout in this car.
It's fun.
Oh, it's way fun.
I've hit 168 there.
Wow, 168? Oh, God. Hey, man, you are slaying these guys. Cadillac CTSV. So you took that corner a little sharper because he was outside?
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't want to drift out and take him out.
Take him out, yeah. Wow. I'm just hanging on.
Yeah, take this one sharper too because he's right there.
Yep, I'm with you. He's gone in the rearview mirror.
Oh, it's about a half pedal, third pedal.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Crap.
All right, Miatas are supposed to be good in the turns.
Yeah, but you're catching him. point you to right.
Yeah, and I gotta fight for the right. Fight for it, fight for it, fight for it. Don't drift out.
God, this car has a lot of grip. Okay, so I'm not braking soon enough compared to you in that turn.
You gotta scrub off the speed, otherwise you can't make that turn.
Yeah, I got you. Holy crap. Little trail brake?
Yep. Got a vent breathing down my neck.
Yep. Not now. Saw 160 that time. Yeah, that vet's pretty fast.
Yes, he is. We're gonna get him a point up here.
That's a badass looking car up there.
Yes, it is. It's also a two-seater. We drive four-seaters.
Right. Give you a point at the end.
Yep. I'm going to take it in the turn. Let's hope he's good.
He's out there still. You're good. This is cool. I guess your software says it's predicting you'll be a second plus faster than your last lap.
I can't look over there.
I know.
Yeah. But we have traffic, so that's not going to happen.
Yep. Gave me the point by, but it was a little late.
How you doing?
Good, man. I'm loving this.
All right.
Just enjoying the ride and checking out some other badass hardware on the track.
Yeah, you can relax and look around when you're not driving.
Yeah. It's fun to see you.
We got a Camaro in our sights.
Yep, it's fun to see you waxing most of them.
A lot of traffic.
Wow.
There's a red GT350.
Yep, looks familiar.
Late.
Yeah, very late. A lot of traffic.
I don't know where that Camaro.
The yellow Corvette. He's way wide.
Yeah.
Not that wide.
Okay. Well, he's gonna go back out in front.
Yep. Man, that Camaro sounds pretty badass.
It does.
Holy crap. Fight to the right. I think he pointed.
Did he? I didn't see it. It was behind my A pillar.
Yeah, it was behind his car too, so I'm not sure. There you go.
Okay, yep, I'm going to take it, but just not right there. There we go. Off my line.
Get back on it though.
We got 39 PSI, too much.
Wow.
So we're going to run this back to the start line, then we're going to do a cool down.
Okay.
I am out of gas. That's it, we're done.
Wow.
Cool down. Yep, started with a full tank.
That's amazing you get out of gas that fast.
Horsepower, baby.
Yep.
So now I'm going to give a lot of point buys.
Yep. Man, I'm not going to forget this. This is awesome.
All right, we're good going into this turn. Nobody's jamming in with us. That's a good thing.
That's amazing. How much fuel you just burned.
16 gallons.
Yeah.
Old Rooney.
In 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Or whatever. Come on.
Yeah, man. What'd you think of that chaos?
Holy moly. Dude, super exciting.
That was awesome.
Yeah, that was awesome. Thanks
for coming with.
No, thank you, man. That's the baddest ass, fastest laps I've ever been on. Holy crap.
Awesome.